Komisi Benta ke Jipun Kreat ke Benta ke Lempung Meghalaya Games kaban sedang ke Arpu Waiteri Ukala Lingkar Arja Arpusan West Janty Hills District ubak Shakler Wardri Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs haka kat laiteri Ukala Lingkar Arja Arpusan ula pelat pat ba yau logo mascot bat ke team song jong ke Lempung haka jengyalang ke bala penlong ha District Library Mentong Jowai. Haka ni keski nalor ubak Shakler Wardri laidot lang daw ba Wailat Miki Shilau MLA ke Jowai ubadairu Chairman Kemuda kekong Mat Siudor Warnongbri Director Ketenat Arts and Culture ubak John F. Karshiying President ke MSOA nalor kiwai-kiwai. Haba ajing kran haka ni keski ubak Wailat Miki Shilau ula ai kublai ya ke sarkar jela kebala wandra ikan ni ke Lempung ha West Janty Hills District dah kebepenpau bakumu MLA ladau uwat lat katnu ru unamla setia ban wandra ya ki kampen roy kumbayo menta lingba ke jingwan ke ni ke Lempung.
Launch the logo of the sixth.
Bat kumang menni shisha nga dalabihi nga kuaban ay kublay kerpang ya ka Sarkar Meghalaya namar ladang nga kumamali ladang nga pelun ya barok ka MLA scheme jong nga sansnem ladang nga lagwat ya ki scheme barok sansnem lo nga namla banwandra ya gini development kumbatiwan manta.
Nakaliang ubak Shakler Wardri ulaong baka sarkar kala syami kini gerai ban penlong kini Lempung manlaus nam kum kalat ban penslur yaki kon samla ban pen iya laki sap hagiran san beper nalor kata ulaong ru ban lingba ke jing penlong yak kini Lempung kan pen mentoy yaki skul kisnong ki thau hagi babon ki liang ka badai ru si benta ban wanra jing mentoy yaki pat ba om ka basu pulut kai pisah.
Because I believe the collective effort that has been put in all the way through from the government officials along with the representatives, the local MLA from here and with all the Darbash from the collective effort that they have put in to make sure that this Meghalaya is a success. So once again, I would like to thank and I would like to wish everyone, especially all the athletes who will be reaching here in a few days where one of the disciplines that is football will start soon, and there was one point that it was mentioned that most of the athletes that will come to Jowai maybe can never see athletics in Thailand. I remember in the Meghalaya Games, some of our athletes were traveling from contingents were traveling all the way from many areas. They've reached Surat, they've never seen what it was in our like. The same thing. Some of the youth, they've never seen what it is like. They've never seen athletes, but when they come here, they see it brings that unity that we want within us. So like I said, it is not only about the games, but there's a lot of mind that we put to it. Because we believe, like I said, that of course it is sports, but we, through sports, we would like to see that everything, maybe all our athletes grow, and we would like to see that people from different parts of our state, but never visited, like I said, they would come here and they would love to see our culture, our place, take something back from here.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bate ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.